Brian Breton has our forecast, and we've got a little something for everyone in the forecast, except maybe snow.
Yeah, I think actually there may be a little snow over the weekend. That doesn't look like a big deal Saturday night. There's the potential for a storm after that, but it is just that.
Yeah.
Potential.
Something to keep an eye on.
Before then, though, we're still in the warmth now. We will be tonight, and most of the day tomorrow is going to be mild, too.
So enjoy it while you can.
Yes, get out there for those walks.
We already have some rain showers out there right now. Most of it's fairly light through central Maine around Skowhegan and north of there up through Greenville too. Bangor, maybe a few drops coming down, but this isn't anything all that heavy at the moment. A few more showers over in southern New Hampshire. These will all be spreading to the east as the evening goes along. 43 right now in Portland, 41 in Bar Harbor. We're in the 30s up through northern Maine where there is a deeper snowpack. It wasn't quite as mild out there today. Out ahead of the front, we're still nice and mild. Now spatially, it doesn't look like this is that far away, but it's going to take really until tomorrow evening to start to move in. That's why we have a mild night tonight, and the daylight hours of tomorrow will be mild too. So this evening, some showers begin developing. They will be scattered around through the night, becoming a bit more persistent toward about midnight. The rain-snow line way to the north. Really have to be up in elevation or near the Canadian border to get any snow tonight. Period of some brief, steadier rain over down East Maine very early tomorrow morning. That will depart. And the daylight hours of tomorrow just look rather cloudy. There could be a brief shower, but most of the precipitation is well to our north. Up over the county, a little rain or snow, but for the rest of us, there isn't much other than a brief shower during the day tomorrow. And even at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're still ahead of the cold front, so it will be mild at that point with temps well into the 40s in central and southern Maine. Snow really confined to the Canadian border and the Allagash. The mountains may get a coating to an inch or so. It just doesn't look like all that much from this. Watch the temperatures tomorrow evening, though. By 8 o'clock, that front is coming through western Maine, and temperatures are on the way down, so that by Friday morning, temperatures for most are around 20 in southern Maine, in the teens through central Maine and western Maine, and in the single numbers up in some of the mountains. And Friday afternoon, this is all we'll manage for actual temperatures. You tack on the wind, it feels even colder than that, even during what traditionally is the warmest part of the day on Friday. We'll have sunshine on Friday, though, so other than the cold and gusty wind, the weather will be bright. Then for Saturday, we have a chance for some light snow developing Saturday night. Could mix a little bit along the coastline. We'll at least have some snow showers, I think, and there may be enough for a couple of inches inland. That departs Sunday morning, and then a more important storm looks like it will develop off the east coast Sunday night. We expect the storm to form. The question is, how close will it come? So far, the majority of our computer models take this storm offshore that we would see very little impact from it. However, it is still possible this far out it could come closer to us and bring at least some snow, especially to central and eastern Maine Sunday night into Monday morning. That's what we'll have to watch between now and then. Check back for updates. I'd expect tomorrow we have a better handle on the exact track. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet with southwesterly winds 10 to 20 knots. So there could be a brief shower tomorrow. Temperatures into the 40s though. The front comes through tomorrow night and the temperatures drop pretty dramatically. Highs inland on Friday, low to mid 20s on the coast, mid to upper 20s. Could be a little light snow Saturday night, early Sunday, and then we'll keep an eye on Monday. Right now, we're just watching it. Not a guarantee.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.